What time does House of the Dragon Season 2 premiere on HBO and Makes? After a 2-year hiatus, HBO's Emmy-nominated original series, House of the Dragon is returning for Season 2. The first episode will drop this Sunday, but what about the rest of the season? Here's what to know about the House of the Dragon Season 2 release time, episode schedule, and more. A prequel to HBO's successful series Game of Thrones, taking place roughly 200 years before the original show. The fantasy drama is based on George R.R. Martin's book Fire's Blood. Season 2 takes place after the death of Rhaenyra Targaryen's Emma, Darcy's second-born son, Lucerys Lux Velaryon. King Aegon IG sits on the Iron Throne after the usurpation, supported by Queen Dowager Alicent Hightower, Olivia Cook. Now, the families are preparing for a violent war. News episodes of House of the Dragon Season 2 will air every Sunday at 9 p.m. 6 p.m. PTHBO and its streaming service Max.